This is the best way to automatically frame wide videos for vertical layouts with the UpRes app. Free, no subscription required. Open the UpRes app. Click Auto Reframe Video. Click Photo Library. Load your horizontal video. Click Use. Draw a box around the subject you want to frame. Preview. You can also change layout. Choose from 9:16 or 4:5 or 1:1. Here is how the entire video looks. Be sure to download the UpRes app to auto-reframe your wide videos to vertical. No subscription required. No ads. No cloud processing. Link in description.